Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the 3-mug mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com. It'll give you a couple of options. We'll click on the Playful Pixlr X1, and then we'll click on Open Image to open up the mockup. It'll ask us if we want to size the image down. We just want to use the original size, so we'll click Original and then click Apply. And it's really easy to add your design. Just click on this bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it, and then click on Browse to find the image on your computer. It's going to ask you if you want to add the image to a new document or to the current, so we'll click on Add Current. And you may need to resize it. Hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just click on any one of the four corners and drag it in to make it smaller or out to make it bigger. And then once you've got it sized about right, just click on it and drag it into place. If you want to change the layer blend mode, you can change it to multiply to make it look a little more realistic. Just click the icon in the upper left hand corner of the thumbnail icon in the layers panel to bring up the layer menu, and then change the blend mode from none to multiply. And now you're going to want to duplicate that. So just click back on the little 3-dot icon again, and then this icon with the two little rectangles that says duplicate layer, when you hover over it, click on that. And you'll see we now have two layers. So we'll just click on one and move it into place. And we'll repeat that and do it again a third time. And we'll move the third one into place. And then when you've got all your graphics placed, you're done. You can just click the Save button here. If you want to use it on a website like Etsy, you're going to want a JPEG version. So we'll have JPEG selected here, and then we'll change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then click Download. And it'll just let you know that the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give you the option to change the folder where it gets saved if you want to do that. If you'd also like a layered Pixlr document, just click Save again, and then this time click on PXD and click Download again. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. As always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.